Hi everyone, and especially to you for watching this video. Okay, first of all, my apologies. I know it was a long time since I last uploaded a video. I apologize for that, but so much has happened in the meantime. I will tell you all about it. First of all, I went through a bit of a dip again, and then they broke into house and they stole my sewing machine and my cameras and all my equipment. They stole that, and after that my husband went on pension, so that was something I had to learn to cope with, but I enjoy every moment of him here by me at home. So yeah, now I've decided I must start again with this video. Oh yeah, and then my mum felt very ill. She ended up in ICU, and so we were worried a bit, but now she's back at home and she's getting well again. And yeah, so now, first of all, our goat is an awesome goat, and now I'm back. I'm gonna start making videos again. So yeah, like I said last time, I'm gonna start by the lapa and start making the lapa, because that's the only room that's been left out, but I still must make for this house. I go on that floor, and then of course is the guest room and the laundry that I still must make. Okay, Dad is sitting there and he's working out plans on where to put all the stuff he wants in his lapa. So this is the next room I must make. So I still must decide on the colors and the wallpaper, and I'm thinking of changing the floor and all that stuff that I must still figure out here. I've got examples of maybe like the wallpaper I want to use. Lots of examples. Some of them, like this, is a bit big to scale. I like this, and I've got 2 sheets of this. Actually, I like this very much, but it's also a bit big to scale, but I'm thinking of using this. And then I'm thinking of building a swimming pool, so I'm going to use this in a swimming pool then, because that looks like water, and then around the swimming pool maybe this. So yeah, I've got lots of planning still to do, and this is all the stuff that I can or cannot or may not use in the lapa. Everything is on back, these materials. I'm thinking of making it a colorful lapa. That's why I like this piece actually very much. I'm thinking of make this the color in the lapa, and then I can maybe put yellows and oranges and any color I can put actually with this, because it's so colorful. So I've still decided on this is also stuff that I can maybe use this for the braai, or this soap thing imaging, but I can maybe use this for the braai or like the barbecue. It's actually a perfect size for that, and it might be much easier. So stuff like that that I gonna use in the lapa. So yeah, I must build a lounge suite, a lounge area with a TV and a fireplace, and then a bar in that corner, and here the barbecue braai area, and okay, here the stairs is coming, and then in this drawers here is going to be the swimming pool, and also a lounging area here for outside by the swimming pool. So that's all the stuff that I still must make. But for now, I'm thinking of just to get back into the thing of the whole dollhouse thing. I'm gonna start making them some clothes. I've got actually everything set out here for them ideas I've got. That's for the daughter, and then for the mum, ideas I've got for them for clothes, and here's some for the dad again. So yeah, I've got ideas here already set out. Everything. My machine is my brand new machine, because my husband bought me another one after I stole my machine. Okay, thanks to insurance, I got one, and so my new overlocker as well. So I'm very happy about that. And so yeah, I'm going to start with making them clothes before I'm going to start with the lapa. But the clothing I'm going to make, that's for the next few videos. So thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe. Don't forget that buttons. Bye.